Good evening. It is about 10 to 10 on Saturday night, Sunday night, I think. Sunday night. Oh dear. I just pulled into my driveway here. I grabbed myself a coffee and a Mcflurry of the Oreo variety. And actually, it was so funny. I pulled into the McDonald's drive-thru and I went to order my ice cream, and for love or money, I could not remember what the frig they called them over there. I almost said Blizzard, but didn't. And I said, you guys have your ice cream on, because I couldn't think of what the hell they called them. And sometimes their ice cream machine is broken. So, well, often their ice cream machine is broken. So she says, oh, if you have the app. And all of a sudden I was very confused. And I said, what do you mean if I have the app? I need an app to get ice cream? I guess they have a thing for $1 ice cream. You need an app or something, whatever. I was like, no. I just want an ice cream, like a cup of ice cream. And she goes, oh, like a sundae? I was like, no, the other one. She goes, like the Oreo, and she went through all the flavors. I was like, yeah, that one. She's like, a Blizzard? I said, yes, a Blizzard. That's what I want. I could not remember what they called them. They all have different names for shit. And she started laughing at me. And she's like, I have a story for you. Pull on up. So said I wanted the Oreo Mcflurry, and I pulled up to pay. And of course, I recognize most of the people that work there. I used to go there all the time for my coffee, like twice a day when I was hairdressing. And she's like, I haven't seen you in forever. And I'm laughing. I said, no, I have a different job now, whatever. And I said, I am so sorry about the ice cream thing, but I could not remember what you called them. I don't generally buy ice cream from McDonald's. And she laughing at me. She's like, I can't even tell you how many people come here asking me for a Blizzard. And it's like, sure, I'll run over to Dairy Queen and get you a Blizzard, whatever. They're like, oh, McFlurry. I think y'all need to agree on a name and just, call them Sundays, call them, whatever. But y'all need to get together, agree on the name of an ice cream, and just stick to it, because you guys kill me. It's like going to Starbucks and ordering a coffee. Like, don't tell me you don't know what I mean when I say I want an extra large vanilla latte. Why do I have to say I want a venti whatever with whatever? Like, I get so confused. So, anywho, got my Oreo McFlurry and my coffee from Timmy's. So there. What a day. So it took me forever to get going on my house today. Forever. I did a pretty deep video this morning, and it took a little while to kind of shake that off. I still don't think I've completely, it was pretty intense for me. So yeah, it took a while to kind of get going today, but I managed to get my kitchen cleaned up and my appliances all wiped down, and I dusted the entire house and I cleaned the bathroom and all that good stuff. So tomorrow I have to Swiffer and wash all my floors and vacuum the bedrooms, except for my eldest's, because you couldn't pay me to go in there. He can handle that. I can't wait to see the state of that floor when he moves out. Jesus fucking Christ. I've already told him, you are paying to have that room fucking steam cleaned, because, oh dear shitballs, you are a pig. Love you to death, but you a pig. So, gonna get the floors done. I have to take him to work in the morning. So as soon as I get home, I will get caffeinated and Swiffer and wash my floors, vacuum my bedroom and my youngest bedroom, and throw some laundry in. And then I should get all that done, no problem. And then in the afternoon, my nephew is doing like an online summer school thing. And he's done at noon. So afternoon, I'm going to run over there real quick and give him a haircut. There's a fluff ball floating here that's driving me nuts to get it. Nope. But it keeps floating toward my face and it's driving me crazy. Fluff ball. Anyway, I'm going to cut his hair in the afternoon. Well, trim it. He's trying to grow it out. He told me he wants to be Chucky for Halloween, which I think is freaking awesome because he's a natural ginger. And his hair is crazy like that. So when he grows it out, like it's all kind of kinky and whatever. And I mean, his hair looks, I mean, it's funny as hell, but it's really, really dry from the pool. And, you know, he hasn't had a proper haircut in some time. So, I'm going to go over and just clean up the ends for him, probably thin it out. It needs a good thinning. So I'll do that. And then my buddy wants a haircut. He's been politely badgering me for a couple of days now. So I keep telling him, man, you need to come to me. Like when I'm home, you need to come to me because I honestly don't think about it. He's not in my face all the time. My boyfriend will pester me as soon as he's ready for a haircut. He'll, you know, he no sooner walks through my front door, he's like, haircut? Cut it or I shave it off. It's like, sit the fuck down, cut your hair. Oh my God, relax. He's not allowed to shave his head. I like to play with his hair, so. Strictly selfish reasons. Doesn't matter what he wants. I want to play with his hair. So, oh, it's the hall light. I can see the hall light through my youngest boy's window, and I thought his light was on, but oh, there's a friggin' fluff ball again. So, you know, and my kids don't really have a say. You know, I grab them and sit them down on a stool and cut their hair. They don't have a say. They will appreciate it when they're out on their own and have to pay for all their own shit. They can just call me and be like, Mom, you got time for a haircut? I'll say no. They'll go pay for a haircut, and then they'll be very, very grateful that their mother knows how to cut hair. So that's about it for tomorrow, and then I plan on chilling. I'm really hoping that my youngest dad and his stepmom come by to look at this equinox tomorrow. She texted me earlier today asking, he had questions, so she texted them to me. So I answered them as best I can, but I mean, I just drove the thing. I don't know anything about cars, so. I said, you know, I told them what I knew, and I said, you know, your best bet is to come look at the fucking thing. Like, I'm just saying. So, I'm going to see if my buddy can get over here tomorrow, either before or after I cut his hair, and run his little code reader on it, and hopefully it'll come up with some codes for that light that's on, and I can just tell them, Google it, let me know what you think. You got a week, and I want it the fuck out of here, so. Yeah. So hopefully they buy it, because I would rather get at least the $5,000 for it and not hand it over to my boyfriend to get sweet fuck all for it. That would really piss me off. But I don't want to junk it, because if I give it to a wrecker or whatever, they're just going to sell it and actually get money for it. And that would really piss me off. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. And then I go back to work on Tuesday. So it'll be a short week this week, which will be kind of nice. Well, kind of nice and kind of not, because I get paid on Wednesday, but I don't think it's not a full paycheck. And then my next paycheck won't be a full paycheck because it was a short week this week. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm trying to build up some money. But I also have things that I need to do. So yes. So we'll see. I don't know. Take a wee sip of my coffee here before it thinks I don't love it anymore. We can't have that. So, yeah, I was just sitting in the house watching me some CSI, and I had a huge yin for ice cream last night. But it was like 10 o'clock and I didn't feel like going anywhere. So when my last episode there ended, I looked at the time and I was like, ooh, it's like 9:30, 1:45. I better go now. Give me some ice cream because I still want it. And I figure after 48 hours, if you still have the yin, you best go do that. So that is what I did. It is such a nice night out for a drive. There's a nice breeze, and it's not cool, but it's cooler than it's been the last week or so. There's zero humidity. So I have my windows down and blaring me some Tom McDonald, because we love Tom McDonald. And my town must hear it. And I have a really good stereo system, so. But I also realize every time I get in my car at night, the inside of this window is all kinds of fucked up, and it always looks foggy or hazy or something, and it drives my eyes batshit crazy. So the next chance I get to take my car to the car wash, I want to talk to the guys there and just have them do the inside of my window. I don't want them to do my dash or nothing. I like to do all that. But I can never, I'm pretty sure I'm the one that fucked up the inside of this window when I washed it. So I want them to do it. Just the window. Just the inside of the window. I will do everything else. Thank you. So. Yeah, because I don't like that. I have really bad night vision anyway. And the glare from all the lights drives me nuts. And when my window like this, it's even worse. Driving like an old person looking real close. Because I can't see. So, yeah. That's kind of been my day and my evening. I'm hoping to sleep better tonight because I didn't sleep very well last night. But I tossed and turned. I mean, I went to bed too late for one thing. Well, I went to bed at my regular time. My regular time is usually anywhere between like midnight and 2. Except for since I've been back to work, I've been in bed by like 11:30. And I slept until like, I don't know, 1-ish, 2-ish. I don't remember. It was like 1:30. We'll call it in the middle. Say 1:30. So, and I'm starting to get tired. So I'm hoping I'll sleep better tonight. Get up in the morning and do everything I need to do. and then do a couple of those haircuts in the afternoon. Deal with this equinox thing. You know, make dinner, all that kind of good stuff, and everything will all be caught up. My laundry and all that good stuff. So, here's hoping. I actually have some laundry from a week or two ago that I did that I never put away because I hate putting laundry away. It's been folded and whatever, and it's in a bin. It's just I haven't put it away. So I have to do that too. I might do that tonight. We'll see. And I fucked up my nails when I was cleaning my oven today. I was wiping down my stove and stuff, and fucked up my nails. So now I gotta fix them too. I might do that at some point tomorrow. Maybe after dinner. I won't be vlogging tomorrow because this one will go up for tomorrow. So that'll save me a little bit of time too. And now that I know how to schedule them and all that kind of stuff. So that's good. So, yeah, this is going to be a super quick video today, like super quick, because I don't have a whole lot to talk about. I got a lot off my chest this morning. So I think that might be why I'm so tired today, because I slept a lot. I mean, I was up kind of late, but not really. For me, excuse me, but I slept really late. But that was a lot this morning, so it was a lot last night too, but it was a lot this morning. So stuff like that is emotionally draining, which can translate to being physically draining, I find. So, but it was a good talk for me. It was nice. Well, not nice, but it was important to have. It was needed. Who in the hell? Oh, it's a truck with really bright lights. Probably thinking, what is she doing sitting in her driveway with her lights on and la la la. Oh well. Yeah, so really quick. I'm going to run in. I'm going to have my ice cream before it melts and watch some more CSI. So, excuse me. Oh. So, anybody watching, have a good night. And since this is going up tomorrow, have a good day. Take care of yourself, and we'll talk later.